As the autumn leaves fall from the phoenix trees, the travelers pass through like passing clouds. With favorable winds, a treasure-laden ship sails. Phoenix tree leaves are dropping. Things may appear negative at first, but they will progressively improve. Heavens will support your intention. Carry out your jobs and responsibilities to the best of your ability. The raging flames seared the sky, destroying everything but a water lily stalk. It begins to bloom again, unscathed and undisturbed till the finish. The water lily survives the fire's flames. You can be safe despite the dangerous conditions. Despite the danger, you will not be hurt. When handling your affairs, you will obtain assistance from others. Crescents appear on the 3rd, 4th, and 5th. Round and complete, it illuminates the sky till the 15th. The new moon gradually returns to fullness. If you wait, everything will be okay. Spend your time wisely. As the new moon appears, please wait for it to reach its fullness before doing as you choose. A reputation based on shady actions. Such actions taint everything wonderful. A drunken person has no idea where to go. Amid the trees' shadows, I'm at a loss. One should not move like a fish trapped in freezing water. The fish is out of its frigid waters, and the situation is not ideal. It is recommended that you put your plans on hold. The mountain path is shrouded in fog and dark clouds. The moon is full once more as families reunite. If you awaken from a deep lyrical dream, you will be guided to heaven's steps. Spring is coming to an end as the flowers flourish. After a change, things will look up in the future. The old will bloom once more as what remains after spring. Pursuing fame and money could amass a considerable fortune later in life. As spring arrives, the flowers on the balcony bloom. Treasures carried by vessels from miles distance. The waves surged 3 times over the Dragon's Gate, shaking the earth like a sudden clap of thunder. An honor bestowed by the emperor. Very fortunate and favorable. The emperor has appointed you. This is equivalent to receiving infinite money. Everything will turn out well in the end. This lot is the greatest of the best. One is just halfway up the mountains when the sun begins to set. Dangerously stranded among dangerously steep rocks, one looks to heaven for protection, and refuge on earth will be granted soon. Sifts the sand for gold, caught in a dangerous scenario. A favorable omen indicating that you will receive assistance from an influential person. Jade is only exposed once the stone has been chipped. After the sand is sifted, gold is discovered. It would be best if you put in some effort. A wooden tiger guards the entrance. It may appear fierce, yet it will cause no harm. There is no danger. All of your concerns, anxieties, and suspicions are unjustified. A wooden tiger statue appears to be fierce and menacing. there are false alarms because not much is genuine. Things like snowflakes on a hot stove and winds brushing against the ears will pass swiftly. Despite your previous misfortunes, you should continue to do good things, and wealth will eventually follow. Plans and schemes are succeeding. You will acquire diamonds and treasures if led by a man of money and authority, as valuable jade concealed in a stone. Everything is promising and following your heart's aspirations, including gems buried in stones. Someone will guide you to fulfill your destiny, like jade buried in a stone. You will be overjoyed and delighted. A word is suddenly conveyed from the sky, and ships return, bearing wealth as high as mountains. If you want to know what lovely things are on the horizon, be advised that assistance from someone will propel you forward. You will have both accomplishments and celebrity. It would be best if you kept moving forward without hesitation. If you want to be famous and wealthy, go where you will get assistance. The abundance of wealth and jewels makes the scenario even more joyful.